chicken leg, oh my chicken leg. Here's my chicken leg, oh my chicken leg. Talking about my chicken leg, oh my chicken leg, my chicken leg. Welcome back, welcome back.
Alright guys, today we're going to do a very special review in my Hot Wheels collection. Today we're going to review, boom, that's right, a 2009 Ford F150. Nice flames on it, very cool grill. Not a fan of the yellow windshield. Chrome interior, not a fan of though, but they do that for the bed. This is all one piece, obviously. Plastic base. It is pretty heavy though. This might be metal. A very nice truck. It came in this hot truck set. We have reviewed pretty much all the trucks except for this one. That's a pretty cool little truck. So we did the Silverado. The Nissan Titan was slow. We're doing this one today. The 2009 Ford F-150. The old one Tundra has the big oversized tires, so it won't go down the track. But the 49 Ford F1 is right here, so we'll probably see that here soon. There's only, counting this race, only 6 truck races left before the season. And let's talk some math here. Rob has 8 wins. Stu has 4. So Stu can win, 5, 6, the next 4 he would win with some room to spare to beat Rob's or tie Rob's record. Well, he has enough time to beat Rob's record for sure of 8. The next guy though, Maddwoba, only has 2, and he will fall short of beating Rob. And the next guy is Track Beast, who only has 1, and he is technically mathematically out of the championship. So, the current champ right now, though, is Stu Murray in this classic F-150. Very nice. Also has a silver bed. Are these the same, you think? Nope, they are not the same. The lines are a little bit different. And this piece is different, obviously. Classic F-150 versus slightly newer F-150. This is the 90s version. This is the 09 version. If I had to pick a style, I think I like this grill better in real life. So it's pretty cool. I definitely like these wheels better. I like the crew cab or extended cab better. Single, not so much. So, very cool. Stu is going for his 5th win today. Let's see if he can do this. Let's see how fast. Have we talked about who the driver is yet? The driver will be his first attempt in the truck series, Jamie Wolf. Jamie Wolf is the bridesmaid of the daily series. Always the bridesmaid, never the bride. Let's see if he can get his first win today, though, in the truck series. Let's give him another shot. Jimmy's going to take his Ford F-150 down the ILC track, through the ILC speedometers, through the I like cheese finish line. Usually the average truck speed is 40. We have seen 50 in the races, so let's see how fast these trucks are. These trucks go a little bit faster than the cars. On your mark. Get set. Go. and a 40. We have Stu Murray here in his F-150. And then we have the New York F-150 driven by Jamie Wolf.
Yes, sir.
They're going to go down the ILC track, through the ILC speedometers, through the I Like Cheese finish line. Jamie's trying to get his first win in the truck series. And Stu trying to continue on, trying to beat Rob's Rogues for the road to 8. On your mark. Get set. Go. Whoa! Once again, Stu Murray has won. Give him the trophy, Sam. He still has a mathematically possibility of winning the championship. The series ends October 31st. Stay tuned and see if Stu can beat Rob's truck wins of 8. Good job, Jamie Wolf. Maybe next time. Maybe next time. Pretty cool truck. Get that Hot Wheels 5-pack series of trucks. Because that's a pretty cool F-150. But once again, this older F-150 has done its duty. Alright. See you guys. Bye.
Alice, wake up. Alice, wake up. Alice, wake up.